One of the things that still drives me crazy in crypto is moving money around. Like you have USDT or USDC, but when you actually need to pay a supplier or collect payment from a client or even put some money into, your US stocks, it turns into a big headache. You either go through exchanges that take forever, you deal with shared accounts that don't feel like they're yours, or you get hit with weird restrictions and hidden fees. So I got tired of it and I started looking for something that was better. And that's where I found an application called PinkWallet. And I've been using it for a bit now, and it's actually becoming part of my setup. So basically, it lets you open real bank accounts in your own name. We're talking about US, UK, Europe, and all of this online, so you don't need to fly anywhere or even have a passport. For the US dollar account, it's backed by banks like JP Morgan Chase, Mortgage Bank, and Zenith Bank. The UK one uses the Clear Bank, and the Europe account is through OpenPaid. And you get proper details like routing number and account number for USD, sort code for the pound, and IBAN for euro. So you can actually receive money from anyone, and you can send to anyone without, the same name only rules that a lot of platforms have. I think Karakan also has that. And what I like is that the KYC is pretty straightforward. They use some sub and a national ID card, works if you don't have a passport. It usually takes about 1 to 3 business days. And if something doesn't go through, they just refund the opening fee. The part that really clicked for me is you can send USDT or USDC straight into your bank account and it turns into normal fiat money. Or you can pull money out from the bank side and, to your crypto wallet. It's all inside the same application and it uses Fireblocks for custody, so it feels really secure. There are no extra exchange step in the middle, and that alone saves a lot of time and hassle when, I need to pay someone or I need to move funds. You can also use it to collect payments. I've seen people connect their US account to Shopify or Amazon for payouts, or you can just give clients the routing details for freelance work. The money comes in looking normal straight into your named account, which is another cool thing. Once you open an account, you automatically get a brokerage account because they have a New Zealand brokerage license. So you can trade US and Hong Kong stocks right there. And here what I like is that you can go crypto to bank balance to stocks without wiring money to 5 different places. So for me, this makes sense if you're holding stable coins and if you want an easier bridge to real money, or if you run an online business and you need proper local bank details. It's also handy when you want wires or transfers to show your actual name instead of some platform's name. And yes, the no passport thing is a big plus for a lot of people. I compared it a little with Wise. So Wise is fine for sending money, but PinkWallet gives you a personal named US account. It gives you direct crypto in and out and even stock trading that is built in. That combination is what I wasn't really seeing elsewhere. And if we talk about fees, it is pretty clear. Opening the US account is about $80 one time. UK and Europe is for $20. There's a $20 annual fee after the first year. So first year is free. And incoming transfers are like 50 cents. Outgoing is 0.3%. There's no crazy spread on conversions, which is pretty nice because some apps hide extra cost there. And they're regulated too. You can see all the licenses on their website. They have MSB licenses in the US and Canada, they have VASP in Europe, and they have the brokerage license in New Zealand. That gave me some sort of comfort when I started using it. Now, if you want to try it, it's pretty simple. You download the PinkWallet app from the Google Play or from the App Store. You do the KYC with just your ID and a quick selfie, and then you pick USD, pound, or euro. You pay the small opening fee, and your account details usually show up within a few days. Then you can deposit crypto or you can receive wires normally. Now, by the way, if you do download it, use my invitation code. I leave it in the description. It will help support the channel when you open a paid account. So I really appreciate it. So for the problems that I was having with moving stable coins to usable money and keeping things simple, it's been working really well for me. But it depends on how you want to use it and how it turns out for you. So make sure that you check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section, because I do read them and I might do a follow-up if you are struggling with something. But yeah, nothing here is a financial advice, just sharing something that has been really helpful in my own flow. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video shortly, so stay tuned.